Tire pressure monitoring systems, or TPMS, have been required on new vehicles since the 2008 model year, although they have been around for longer. For counter pros, understanding the basics helps shops avoid confusion and complete repairs with confidence. TPMS alerts drivers to low tire pressure, helping prevent blowouts and accidents. It also creates recurring parts sales since most sensors last 7 to 10 years. Indirect systems use ABS data to monitor wheel speed. A low tire rotates faster, triggering a warning light. Direct systems utilize sensors in each wheel that transmit real-time data, including pressure, temperature, and sensor identification. Even if a customer buys just the sensor and installs it, the TPMS system is not repaired. Most sensors require programming with a TPMS tool. Even if it is an auto-learn system, the sensor will need to be programmed according to the vehicle's protocols. Once the sensor is programmed and installed on the vehicle, the relearn process can be initiated using either a TPMS tool or a test drive. Your store probably stocks a line or two of these programmable sensors. These lines might have 2 or 3 part numbers to cover the majority of TPMS vehicles. One sensor might replace a 315 megahertz sensor. The next sensor will cover 433 megahertz, and a third sensor might cover Bluetooth applications. The sensor lines will then have other options for the valve stems and service kit that can be clamp on or snap in. If you encounter a shop that is returning a sensor because they claim it can't be programmed, ask them, when was the last time they updated their TPMS tools? Updates for TPMS tools not only include new vehicle coverage, but also updates to program new sensor lines and brands that your store may now carry. If you have customers who are unable or unwilling to update or invest in a TPMS tool, there are other options available. Direct fit TPMS lines can skip the sensor programming step, allowing shops to proceed directly to the relearn process. But this takes a considerable amount of inventory to cover vehicles in your area. Other product lines may have sensors that are already programmed with the unique sensor IDs, which then can be programmed into the TPMS module. TPMS is not going anywhere. Counter pros who understand the differences in systems, sensor options, and relearn needs can help shops save time, avoid comebacks, and keep customers safe on the road. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.